Food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the vibrant world of Portuguese cuisine with a dish that's a true tavern favorite, Pica Pau. This delicious and flavorful dish is perfect for sharing with friends over a glass of wine or beer. But first, let's dive into some fascinating and little-known facts about this delightful Portuguese treat. Pica Pau, which translates to woodpecker in English, is a popular Portuguese dish consisting of small, tender pieces of beef cooked in a rich, savory sauce. It's often served with pickles and olives, adding a tangy contrast to the flavorful meat. The origins of Pica Pau are somewhat mysterious, but it's widely believed to have been created in Lisbon's taverns. The dish got its name from the way people would peck at the pieces of meat with toothpicks, just like a woodpecker. One unique aspect of Pica Pau is the use of beer in the sauce. This not only adds depth to the flavor but also helps to tenderize the beef, making it incredibly juicy and delicious. While Pica Pau is popular all over Portugal, the recipe can vary from region to region. In the Alentejo region, for instance, you might find versions that include local spices and herbs, giving the dish a distinct regional twist. Some variations of Pica Pau include beef or even chicken instead of beef. Each version has its own unique flavor profile, but the essence of the dish remains the same: delicious, tender meat in a rich sauce. Pica Pau is more than just a dish, it's a social experience. In Portugal, it's common to enjoy Pica Pau with friends and family at a local tasca, a type of Portuguese tavern, where it's served as a petisco, or small plate. Besides being delicious, Pica Pau can be relatively healthy when made with lean cuts of beef. The addition of garlic, olive oil, and pickles adds not only flavor but also beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. Making Pica Pau at home is quite simple. Start by marinating beef pieces in a mixture of garlic, paprika, and olive oil. Sauté the beef until browned, then deglaze the pan with beer. Add pickles, olives, and bay leaves, then let it simmer until the beef is tender and the sauce is thick and flavorful. Serve it hot with crusty bread to soak up all the delicious sauce. Here's an interesting tidbit. The beer used in Pica Pau is often Sagres or Super Bock, two of Portugal's most famous beer brands. These local beers add an authentic Portuguese flavor to the dish. Another unknown fact is that Pica Pau was initially served as a quick snack for workers in Lisbon's taverns. Over time, it gained popularity and became a beloved dish enjoyed by people of all ages. The pickles and olives served with Pica Pau aren't just for decoration. They add a burst of acidity that perfectly balances the rich and savory flavors of the beef and sauce. Many chefs believe that the key to a great Pica Pau lies in the marinade. Letting the beef marinate overnight allows the flavors to fully penetrate the meat, resulting in a more delicious and tender dish. Historically, Pica Pau was served on bread or with a side of fries, making it a hearty and filling meal for those looking for a quick and satisfying bite. Today, it's still often enjoyed with bread to soak up the tasty sauce. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting your culinary journey, Pica Pau is a dish that offers a rich taste of Portuguese culture and cuisine. Its combination of tender meat, flavorful sauce, and tangy accompaniments make it a must-try. So why not bring a bit of Portugal into your kitchen and give it a try? Bon appetit! Pica Pau is traditionally served with toothpicks, allowing diners to pick up each flavorful piece of beef without utensils. This style of eating adds to the casual, communal atmosphere of enjoying this dish in a tasca. Historically, Pica Pau was often made with leftover cuts of beef. This frugal approach ensured that no part of the animal went to waste, reflecting the resourcefulness of Portuguese cuisine. The dish often includes piri-piri sauce, a spicy Portuguese condiment made from chili peppers. This adds a bit of heat to the dish, making it even more flavorful and appealing for those who enjoy a kick. Pica Pau is a popular dish at Portuguese street festivals and fairs. Vendors often serve it as a quick and satisfying snack, highlighting its versatility and appeal in different settings. Some chefs like to add a splash of brandy to the sauce, giving it a rich and complex flavor. This variation is particularly popular in more upscale versions of the dish. In the early days, Pica Pau was often enjoyed with a simple red wine or a cold beer. This tradition continues today, with many Portuguese opting for these classic pairings to enhance the dining experience. The pickles served with Pica Pau can vary widely. Common options include pickled carrots, onions, and cucumbers, each adding a unique flavor and texture to the dish. While Pica Pau is most commonly associated with beef, some regions of Portugal, particularly coastal areas, have their own versions made with seafood like shrimp or squid. The paprika used in Pica Pau is often smoked, giving the dish a distinctive depth of flavor. Smoked paprika, or pimentão, is a staple in Portuguese cooking and adds a unique twist to many traditional dishes. Pica Pau is sometimes served in traditional Portuguese ceramic dishes, which help to keep the food warm and enhance its presentation. These ceramics are often beautifully decorated, adding to the cultural experience. The quality of the beef used in Pica Pau is crucial. Many chefs prefer using porco preto, or black Iberian pig, known for its marbled fat and rich flavor, which elevates the dish to a whole new level. Early recipes for Pica Pau were passed down orally and through handwritten notes. It wasn't until the 20th century that these recipes began appearing in published Portuguese cookbooks, preserving the tradition for future generations. Pairing Pica Pau with different drinks can enhance its flavors. While beer and red wine are common choices, some enthusiasts recommend trying it with a chilled vinho verde for a refreshing contrast. Petiscos are small dishes similar to Spanish tapas, meant to be shared among friends, reflecting the social nature of Portuguese dining. The popularity of Pica Pau in Portugal has led to its inclusion in many historical and cultural events, where it is celebrated not only for its taste but also for its role in Portuguese culinary heritage. Joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food facts. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Pica Pau or if there's another dish you'd like us to explore.